Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to download from a folder. So if you want to download from a folder, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So if you want to download a folder, just go to your drive, which is my drive. Then from here you can simply access any folder you want to download. So currently I have a bunch of files in this, so it is not possible for me to download. Okay, let me use this. So, and also you can create a folder. So for you to create a folder, just click on empty space. Then from there create a new folder. You can see new folder. So just go to name it to download. So that's the name of the folder, which is download. So that's the name of the folder. Create. So just create a folder. Working. Then this is the folder right here, which means that the folder has been successfully created. Now for me to be able to download this folder, so just let's say I have a bunch of files in this folder that I want to download. So you just have to right click on the folder. Once you right click on the folder, you tap on download. And this will prepare your file. Then you have to unzip it. Click on unzip. See, you can see the file has been downloaded already, and open it from your document. You can also unzip it because this is a zip file. Once you have it in the document, just unzip it, then you have access to what is inside the file, and that is how to download folder from Google. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow from me.